Wait and see.
Welcome to Wait and See. Today we build a zero-face video factory with FLUX 2, Gemini 3, and Llama 4.
No codes, just pure AI flow.
And you can finish a polished short in under 5 minutes.
Hold on, how?
Flowise is a visual workflow builder that stitches APIs together like a circuit board.
We're using it to wire Gemini 3, FLUX 2, and Llama 4 into a single chain.
First node pulls a prompt from a text file, then passes it to Llama 4 for polishing.
Llama 4 runs on an RTX 4090, delivering 40 tokens per second at 4-bit quantization.
Llama 4 refines raw script drafts, adding hooks and tightening language.
It uses the 13B context window to keep flow consistent across scenes.
No code needed, just drag a Polish node in Flowise.
And the result feeds into Gemini 3 for synthetic narration.
Gemini 3 produces high-fidelity audio in just under a minute per 500 words.
It supports multiple accents. We're using the neutral US English voice.
The node returns an MP3 file that Flowise streams to the next stage.
This keeps the workflow linear and fast.
FLUX 2 is the image generator in this stack. It creates 4K frames from a prompt.
It runs at 15 frames per second on a single RTX 4090, producing a 5-second clip.
The prompt includes camera angles and lighting cues from the Llama script.
No manual editing, the node stitches frames into a video file.
Flowise connects the nodes, script, voice, visuals, final MP4.
Each node runs locally, keeping data private and eliminating cloud bills.
The total runtime from prompt to finished video is about 4 minutes, 30 seconds.
That's a massive speed up over hiring a voice actor and a VFX artist.
Running a single RTX 4090 costs about 0.20 per minute in electricity.
Compared to $50 for a human studio, this saves 99%.
And because we use 4-bit quantization, GPU memory usage drops to 6 GB.
You can run the whole stack on a standard workstation.
A marketing team creates a product explainer with no human voiceover.
They feed a 200-word draft into Flowise, and within minutes, the video is ready.
The same pipeline can produce a series of 30 videos for a campaign.
Each video is unique because Llama 4 tweaks the script each run.
FLUX 2 struggles with highly detailed faces. It's best for stylized scenes.
Gemini 3 can only synthesize up to 1,000 words per call, split longer scripts.
If you need higher resolution, upscale to 8K with a second FLUX pass.
And you can swap Gemini for a whisper-based voice if you need different tones.
Add a sentiment node after Llama to adjust tone based on target audience.
You can also route the video to a YouTube upload node that auto-tags.
For live streams, stream the FLUX output directly to a RTMP server.
All without writing a single line of code.
The Flowise community shares templates for product demos, tutorials, and more.
Llama 4 and FLUX 2 models are available under the open source license, but require a license key from Meta.
Full step-by-step guide, code snippets, and API keys are in the description below.
Try it out, tweak the prompt, and see how fast you can create a video.
If you want to build faceless videos in minutes, hit that subscribe button.
Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.